Alright, now I'm going to show you two steps which you need to do in your Siemens PLC in TIA Portal to enable successful connection so that you can read-write the tags very easily without any errors. Now the first thing is you have to go to your PLC controller and go to the device configuration, and if you drag down in the properties you will see protection and security. In this case, if you drag down, you have to make sure you tick this permit access with put get communication from remote partner. You have to make sure this is enabled for both the PLCs or for any PLC which you are using in Siemens. So here you can see that the security property of the other PLC is also ticked. That's the step one. You have to make sure both the PLC has this ticked in their controller properties. And the another thing is, for example, if I go to my first PLC, it has a DB intercommunication, or it could be any DB which you want to read write in your SCADA. Okay, just in case of DB, you have to make sure right click on this DB, go to the properties, and you have to make sure this is not checked. This should not be ticked. It should not be like that. So optimize block access should be disabled. This is the requirement for Ignition SCADA. Okay, so this should be unchecked, and also for the another PLC, if I see, this is unchecked. Generally, when you take a new block, let me show you another example. I will add another block in this PLC, and I will write it ignition, maybe. Okay, ignition block, name of the block is ignition. This is a global TB. Click OK, and by default these blocks are optimized access. So if I show you, this is checked, so you have to make sure this is not checked. Click OK, and just for the sake I will make some tag. Okay, let's make start, stop, let's say motor, speed. In speed I will take integer, so 3 boolean and 1 integer, and let's just download this one now to my PLC. So I need to select my let's find this PLC. This is my PLC 1, so it should be 100, and I load the program, and this is going to write the program in my PLC. So loading configuration. So only two steps. One is the you have to uncheck the optimize access, and you have to check the controller enable put get instruction, something like that. So these two steps you need to do, make sure you have to do in TIA Portal. So that's it. We have to make the devices in the SCADA, OPC connection, and in the PLC we have to do these two options. Alright, once you do that, we can proceed with the next video, in which I will show you how to test the connection between Siemens PLC and the SCADA software. So make sure you follow these steps step by step, and once you configure all these which I have explained you will be able to communicate your PLC with the SCADA. So I'll see you in the next video.